Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 060, Topics in Developmental Mathematics, Section 3.4, Problem 18. This is Section 3.4, Problem 18. It says the population of the United States is 328.2 million. Write this number in standard notation. So if you write it just as a number, write the 328.2. Instead of saying the word millions, you say times 1 million. So a million has 6 zeros after it. So you have a 1 with 6 zeros. And now to do this sort of a multiplication, what you really do is count how many zeros you have. There's 6. And move your decimal point that many places, 6 places. So you move it 6 over to the right to make a big number. So 3, 2, 8. So to get on the right side of the 2, there's 1 spot. You'll have 5 more zeros to go for a total of 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's what 3.28 million looks like as a regular number. Now to do a nice job, you can put in some commas. So starting from the right, every 3, you group them in 3s like that, and you can put in commas. That would be 328,200,000.